guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Now today I'm at the construction site. Remember how I told you we're going to start making bricks? So ta-da! And yeah, so we are making bricks, and this is what we have done so far. 2 days so far since yesterday afternoon, and I have to say they've done quite an amazing job. Yeah, so these are the very strong bricks that are made out of clay, and so I just love this. This is amazing. So I'm going to try, but I don't want to get dirty because I did not bring the right clothing, only just boots and a dress, and I don't think a dress is going to do. But I'm going to maybe try mixing the soil because I have boots, so I think I can do it. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to be trying my best, and yeah. Okay, so I'm supposed to use my hands to grab the clay, put it into that brick shaper, and then carry it here the way she's doing. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I'm stronger. I've done this before, I can do it again. Okay, let's get going. Yes. How did he do it? How did he do it? So I'm allowed to keep it. Kakan.
It's okay, it's okay. No.
Yay! Wash my hands or something and come back. So I got a little bit dirty, yeah, but well done, guys. So this is what they have done, and I'm really proud of them. Well, actually, this is half a day's work. Correction, half a day's work.